come play with us? You will? Good. I thought you would. Come in, cousins. Be one of the family.
See here, Charles, do you realize what a dilemma this is? It's terribly difficult. I don't see any way out of it at all.
Oh, come, Bernard. Of course there's a way out. Now, there are 13 of us so far, right? You want to invite Edward as well, which makes 14.
Yes, but if somebody's ill, Charles, then we shall be back to 13 again.
Precisely. Then we must invite more people.
That's an idea.
What do you think, Linda?
Look, we're here, they're waiting for you.
I think that...
You see, Linda agrees with me.
But then there's the problem of the seating, Charles. I think I've got something worked out, though. Look.
Madeline must be at the head of the table. Besides which, Madeline is older than Yvonne. She might even be older than Jacqueline. No, I see no problem there. We put Madeline at the head of the table. It's Madeline, isn't it, Linda?
Absolutely.
Well, if Linda thinks it's all right, well, then of course it must be.
Listen to me. Television is not the truth. Television is a goddamn amusement park. Television is a circus, a carnival, a traveling troupe of acrobats, storytellers, dancers, singers, jugglers, sideshow freaks, lion tamers, and football players. We're in the boredom-killing business. So if you want the truth, go to God. Go to your gurus. Go to yourselves. Because that's the only place you're ever going to find any real truth. But man, you're never going to get any truth from us. We'll tell you anything you want to hear. We lie like hell. We'll tell you that Kojak always gets the killer and that nobody ever gets cancer in Archie Bunker's house. And no matter how much trouble the hero is in, don't worry, just look at your watch. At the end of the hour, he's going to win. We'll tell you any shit you want to hear. We deal in illusions, man. None of it is true. But you people sit there day after day, night after night, all ages, colors, creeds. We're all you know. You're beginning to believe the illusions we're spinning here. You're beginning to think that the tube is reality and that your own lives are unreal. You do whatever the tube tells you. You dress like the tube. You eat like the tube. You raise your children like the tube. You even think like the tube. This is mass madness, you maniacs. In God's name, you people are the real thing. We are the illusion. So turn off your television sets. Turn them off now. Turn them off right now. Turn them off and leave them off. Turn them off right in the middle of the sentence I'm speaking to you now. Turn them off